In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master MS Word for studying, research, and academic writing. We'll focus on tools that structure your work, automate citations, and reduce distractions so you can focus on your ideas, not formatting. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start by building every document on styles. Instead of manually bolding or resizing titles, apply heading 1, heading 2, and so on from the Home tab. This creates a clear hierarchy that keeps your notes and papers consistent and unlocks automation later. A quick check: if you change the formatting of a heading style, every heading of that level updates across the document, which saves huge amounts of time and prevents inconsistencies. Once headings are in place, open the Navigation pane from the View tab. You'll see your document outline automatically, based on those styles. Click any heading to jump instantly to that section, and drag headings to reorder sections or even entire chapters. It's a fast, reliable way to restructure drafts without hunting through pages. With headings set, generate a table of contents in the References tab. Word pulls your headings into a professional table that updates as you write. If you add or rename a section, just right-click the table and choose Update to keep it accurate without manual edits. Next, streamline research and citations in the References tab. Pick your citation style, such as APA or MLA. Enter each source once, and let Word handle in-text citations and a full bibliography at the end. This ensures correct formatting and saves you from repetitive tweaks. To keep your research flow uninterrupted, use the Researcher tool in the References tab to find credible sources and add them directly to your document without switching to a browser. To enhance focus, switch on Focus mode from the View tab. It hides the ribbon and taskbar for a clean workspace that's great for deep work. If you're using Microsoft 365, try Dictate, then Transcribe from the Home tab to capture lectures and convert the audio to text, which you can review and edit later. Keyboard shortcuts are small changes that add up. Use Ctrl+Shift+B to paste without formatting when pulling text from the web. Press Shift+F5 to jump back to your last edit location. Open Find and Replace instantly with Ctrl+H to clean up repeated terms or formatting. Finally, for collaboration and review, turn on Track Changes in the Review tab so every edit is visible, and use comments for discussions right in the margins. When you're ready to submit or share, go to File, Export, and save as a PDF to lock formatting and ensure it looks right on any device. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.